Mathematics 2, Chapter Integration. Tutorial question 35. Find integration x multiplied by square root of x plus 1 dx. Now let's try to rearrange it, making as x and x plus 1 power of half dx. Can you solve using direct integration? It's very difficult because you have a bracket of power of half. You cannot directly expand it. Now, direct integration cannot be used. How about a recognition method? Recognition formula of product can be written as fx to the power of n multiplied by f prime x dx. If you have this pattern, yes, you can use recognition. Let's look back into here. Let's imagine this is our fx, power of n. Does x is the derivative of your fx? No, because the derivative of x plus 1 is basically 1, not x. Hence, you cannot use recognition. Now, let's proceed to the next method, which is substitution. Let's try to do substitution. Now, substitution works when you let u into a certain expression. Now, you can choose either you want to let u equals to x or u equals to x plus 1, but choose wisely. I'm going to choose x plus 1 here, because when I differentiate it, I will get 1. And when I replace it inside here, my u become more simpler. If I let my u as x, I still have a complex square root function. Hence, I'm going to replace x plus 1 instead of x. Now, rearrange it, I will get du equals to dx. Now, before I proceed, I try to arrange u equals to x plus 1, making x as a subject. Then I will get the expression u minus 1. Why I do so? Let's look it together. I have integration of x, where my x can be written as u minus 1. And then I have replaced x plus 1 as a u. And dx also is basically equals to du. Notice or not, substitution, I have replaced all the x as a u so that I can integrate with respect to u. And you notice or not, it becomes a simpler function. Why I say it's simpler function? Because the square root only belong to u, so that you can expand one by one. Previously, you cannot do so because inside the bracket you have two terms. One is x, another one is 1. So you cannot simply expand outside like that. So in the case of here, inside of the square root, you only have u. So you can expand one by one. Imagine, for example, you have x half multiplied by x. What happened? Correct, you got x 3 over 2. Same goes here. I do not do any integration, I just expanding. So u initially have power of 1, multiply by u power of half, become u power of 3 over 2. Same goes here, negative 1 multiplied by u half, become u half itself. Now it just become a very simple function where you can directly integrate it. The power will added by 1, 3 over 2 plus 1 become 5 over 2 divided by 5 over 2. U half, u plus with 1 become 3 over 2 divided by 3 over 2. Don't forget to put plus c at the end. So if I try to simplify it, I will get 2 over 5, my u 5 over 2, minus 2 over 3, my u power of 3 over 2, plus c. Now, don't forget to replace back your u term. Your u term is basically x plus 1. So it becomes 2 over 5, x plus 1 power of 5 over 2, minus 2 over 3, x plus 1 to the power of 3 over 2, plus c. That's all for question 35.